Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a review of the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation, and the shade that I picked is Cinnamon 440G. Okay, so before you guys come for me, I haven't done my nails yet, and I'm aware of that, okay? So be respectful. I'm gonna get it done. Okay, so this is the packaging for this foundation. This is not a new launch. It launched a while ago, but it is my first time trying it, and I'm hoping that it actually goes with my skin tone. It measures about 35 milliliters, which is 1.18 fluid ounce. The description here for the foundation is that it is a full coverage foundation in 30 shades that visibly conceals blemishes, imperfection to create a flawless airbrush finish. And so I'm going to be putting out a test to see if it's going to give me an airbrush finish. It also says that the foundation is going to give you a natural finish. The formulation of this foundation is that it is a liquid foundation. The ingredients in here, which are the high ingredients, says that it has argan oil and Centella asiatica hydrate skin. I don't know what is asiatica. If I find some information, I will put it on the screen right here. But it also says that it has no sulfates or parabens. It's a cruelty-free foundation, and I will be pairing it with a couple of Huda Beauty products. The eye look that I have on here will be listed down below. You can click on the link, or I will have the link put on here so that you can watch the video for this makeup tutorial. I will be going with the Huda Beauty primer. It is the Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. Doesn't have a shade. So it says that it's an oil-free mattifying makeup base, and it says that I should shake it before I use. So for the primer, I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, that was a lot. So the foundation comes in this packaging with this cap, and it has a pump. The foundation has a fragrance. It's very, very thick. It is not liquidy at all. So I'm gonna go over this problem area for a little bit. I have more products on there. I'm using a beauty blender. The foundation has blended in very well. It's settled into the skin perfectly. I like the way it feels. I'm going in with another coat here. So this will be about 3.5 pumps that I use, which I think is too much, but let's see what happens. I didn't color correct, and I have dark spots in this area, and you can see the foundation covering a lot. So yes, this is how the foundation applied. It's beautiful. It feels a little heavy. I'll be honest, it's not like the lightweight foundation that I have been using in the past, and so but it does wear perfectly. I know people complain about the fragrance scent on this foundation. I do not have any problem with it. It's not like a strong scent, and you know how some people are very sensitive, and so they had a problem with this foundation. But yeah, that's how it feels. I don't think, let's see here, I'm gonna check to see if it is transfer resistant. It looks like it's transfer resistant. There's not much coming on the tissue that I'm using here, and so I'll go ahead and finish up the rest of my face, and I will come back with my final thoughts. So for setting powder, I'm going in with my Sulfur Declect setting powder from YSL. So to contour, I will be using this Huda Beauty Tantor Contour and Bronze Cream in the shade Medium. So I blend it out perfectly. Now I'm just gonna pinch the brush. I need to scoop my nose. So to set my bronzer, I will be going in with from Morphe Cosmetics. It is their face and body bronzer. It says there is Glamour Bronze Face Bronzer from Morphe. So I will take this BH Cosmetics powder brush. I guess it's an angle brush, I should say. And I'm using that to bronze my cheeks. I feel like I don't even need to set my foundation, but I have to. So I will go in with this Sephora Micro Smooth Setting Powder. Going in with Japanese Deluxe Powder Brush. Now I'm going to go in with a blush, and I'm going to use Love Cloud from MAC. I will also add Devil, so I'm going to mix the both of them. I'm taking another angle brush from BH Cosmetics. I'm lining my lips with Morphe Trendsetter Lip Liner. Taking MAC Cyber lipstick. I'm also using the lipstick Velvet Teddy. I'll go in with a little bit of nude lip gloss here just to pop it in the middle. And this is Kylie Cosmetics Lost Lip Gloss. We're forgetting one important thing, which is the highlighter. I'm going in with the highlighter from Too Faced Cosmetics called You Light Up My Life. So yes guys, now I'm done with my face. This is how the foundation wears on my face. My impressions on the foundation is that it is a very good quality foundation. It is full coverage and I love that. I love that it's full coverage because I have a problem skin and it covered up my skin after I use one application, but 3 pumps I should say. I used 3 pumps on my entire face, 2 on my face, and then I went over my problem areas with the other squeeze of it. So the foundation is a very beautiful foundation. I love how it wears. For pricing, it is a high-end brand, so of course the pricing is a little bit it's $40, retails $40, and it is sold at Sephora. And like I said, the foundation is 35 milliliters, which is a little bit more than the regular foundation size. And the packaging, love that it has a pump, has a cap on here, and that's perfect. Along with this foundation, I use Huda Beauty primer. So this is her Matte Perfection pre-makeup base. It is a primer and I love the way it feels on the skin. It doesn't have that silicone feel like most of the other primers that I've used, and so I love that about it. And it did apply smoothly, apply well. The foundation also did apply well and it applied smoothly, and I really love that. So if you want to know if I recommend this foundation, yes, I will recommend this foundation. It does have a fragrance though, so those of you that have sensitive skin, you might not want to try this foundation, or if you try it, you got to proceed with caution. That is, if you have sensitive skin, it's possible that you are going to break out from this foundation. I'm not sure if I'm going to break out from it because of the scent. It has that fragrance in it. I don't know what the fragrance is. It didn't state in the description what the fragrance is, and so I can't really tell what it is, but like I said, it has a smell to it. Not a horrible scent, but it does have a scent to it, and it's a nice smelling foundation. It's not like ooh kind of thing like that. Yeah, so that's my final thought about the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation. I love it. I will recommend it, and if you want to check it out, I would love to hear your feedback, so let me know. So yeah, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.